एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू द चैनल। तो आई होप कि आप सभी बढ़िया होंगे, और नहीं बढ़िया हो तो भाई बढ़िया हो जाओ, क्योंकि आज हम अब आपको देने वाले हैं अपनी एसएमपी का वर्ल्ड टूर। तो या वर्ल्ड टूर ऑफ निवोरा एसएमपी बाय शिवम। या लेट्स गो। फर्स्ट, दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट बेस एक्चुअली। ये मैंने सबसे पहले जो अपना बेस बनाया था वो यही है। यहाँ पे मैंने एक माउंटेन को खोदा है, और यहाँ पे ये मेरा इंचेंटिंग रूम था। एंड मीट माई डॉग रॉक्सी, इज़ अ वेरी क्यूट डॉग, बट या वेरी गुड। दिस वॉज माई हॉर्स शेल्टर, और यू कैन से आई यूज टू कीप माई हॉर्स वेनम विच actually died, which is really sad. I will show you his grave, which I have made because that's where he died. So yeah, this is some storage and crafting setup over here, but I don't live here now actually, and this is where Venom died. So I have lost two of my horses at this place because of creepers. This is where Venom died. Yeah, and you can see the rage for creepers over here. And this is where my horse died. This was my first horse actually, and he was very fast and very good, but another creeper. I hate creepers because of this. And yeah, this was my first base. Now let me show you my second base, or whatever you can say, where I started the actual progress. This is a horse type, because after that I tried to find some good horses, but I actually, oh no, what the heck. Okay, so here we come. This is my horse breeding area, which I started here first. ये एक छोटा सा क्रॉप फार्म है यहाँ पे। ये देखो, ये ऑटोमेटिक क्रॉप फार्म है यहाँ पे। ये अच्छा काम करता है, बट अभी थोड़ा सा एटर्नोस की वजह से, मतलब सर्वर ही अच्छे से काम नहीं कर रहा है, तो ये क्या अच्छे से काम करेगा। एंड यहाँ पे ये मेरा ऑटोमेटिक क्रॉप फार्म है। एंड देन इसके बाद यहाँ पे है शुगर केन और बैम्बू फार्म, विच इज़ यूजिंग बोन मील। ये काफ़ी अच्छा काम करता है। एंड नाउ दिस इज़ माई अनदर हॉर्स, बिकॉज आई हैव लॉट ऑफ हॉर्स नाउ। एंड लेट्स गो डाउन हियर। So this was basically my second base, we can say, where I found a skeleton spawner, and it was very near to my base, so I thought why not. So this is a skeleton XP farm. I come here and grind some XP. So here I also built an enchanting setup, because why not? If you have an XP farm near you, then why not build an enchanting setup over here. So this is a small enchanting setup, and a bed over here, and some storage, and another portal. So this was my, you can say, second base. Okay, now let's move on to the third one, or you can say, which is not a base actually. uh, you can say it is a villager. It's a village actually. We just dig down a tunnel and then made a trading setup, something like forget in the important enchantments, and sell some emeralds to the Fletchers. So now let's go to the village. So here we are at the village. Now here we go, and then we break down these blocks. And here, oh wait, let me block this cave type thing first, because some mobs can spawn over here and then jump into the village. So this is a village which we have some good villagers which sell some pretty good books. Yeah, this is a village. I know this is a village, but yeah, here you can find some good quality books and enchantments. So let's go. This is actually, now we don't usually use these because we have a new village setup. Let me show you that too. So now let's go. To that village setup. So So here we are at that village. This is where I live now. Okay. Now let's start by show you the thing which I built here first. So here are my all the horses. Meet Draco. This is my friend Shagun's horse, not actually mine, but I gifted this to him, and this is my horse, Hurricane. Yeah, I know the name is pretty great. And this is also my horse. Come here, Eddie. This is Eddie. These are two my horses. And then we have this is the horse jump test, and this is the speed tester, which actually does not work now. Just need a little, not just little, just need a little redstone over here. And this is something which I boiled today. Yeah, let's let me show you this. This is a stone generator, and probably if you're playing Minecraft, you know what is a stone generator, because you know what, it's just lava and water, then it automatically generates stone. Yeah, so this is it. I built this today, and this works pretty well. I used an auto holder clicker, like which holds the click, and then this is what I got in like around 1 hour. So this is really good. Now I won't need to mine cobblestone or go stone mining just to get some stone. So yeah, this is good. And this is my sheep farm. I actually, there are some sheep died because I was using trident, and then yeah, I mistakenly hit over here, and then a lot of sheep died due to thunderstrike actually. So I use these to make beds and go mining in nether. So that's why I have a netherite armor. Yo, it looks cool, isn't it? Wait, let this go. Yeah. And meet my shield. S Shivam. S means Shivam. Okay. Now let me show you my village. So this is my base right now, and my villagers live here, and me too. This is a storage setup. Here, this is my bed actually, and this is a little nether wart farm, which is very efficient because I get a stack when I harvest this using Fortune 3. And these are my main villagers. These are fully maxed. These sell golden carrots, and no, let me show you. These guys actually sell golden carrots, but not this one. This one will sell. Let me show you. Yeah, this one is selling. And where is my mending villager? Let me show you. No, this is not the one. So these are my three clerics. I actually have three clerics which sell XP bottles, and these are my villagers. You can see them. This one also sells golden carrots, and these are fully maxed. So like armor, I have like almost everything that villagers sell. And these are my fletchers, which I used in like the early game to sell them sticks and get some emeralds, which I don't do now. I still have a lot of wood, but yeah, I don't sell the wood to these guys anymore because yeah, they just give 16 emeralds for a stack. And you know why I don't sell sticks to these guys? Because I have a solution for emeralds. Let me show you that as well. So here it is, my raid farm, which works really well. I have to throw things from here because the storage gets fast pretty full. So this is where I get all the totems and stuff. So yeah, this was my raid farm. I also have a few farms like a creeper farm, and as well as ominous potion farm. But let me show you actually. Why not? Let's have a full world tour. We are having them. I know, show everything. So first, let me show you the gunpowder farm actually, which I made today, just like the stone farm. Here it is. It took a lot of time to build this farm, and it doesn't work well. Holy shit! We messed up the landing. Dude. Oh, holy! We could have died, man. We don't even have a totem. Let me get a totem. I don't even have it in my inventory. Okay, this time we did it actually. So this is my mob grinder which I made for gunpowder actually mainly. So yeah, it works, but we need to go 3 blocks down and stand here for some time actually. Now let's go back to our main base. There's another farm which I have in my world and which is Ominous Potion Farm. Let me show you that as well. It was a very bad landing, but yeah, here it is. Here's my Ominous Potion Farm. It works very well, like really well. This one actually works well, but I need to turn on these trident killers first. This one actually don't have a trident, so yeah, it doesn't work pretty well. Yeah, but I just need a trident to fix this. So yeah, this was it basically, and yeah, I don't have anything to show in Nether because we right now don't have anything going on in Nether actually. Holy shit, I suck at landing with Elytra. Like not every time, but yeah, sometimes I do. And today I'm sucking a lot at landing with Elytra. Okay, so this was my base, my world tour. We are gonna build. We are gonna build some good bases, houses, villages, and structures as well here. That's why I made this farm, stone generator, and that's why I have this sign over here. Do not take anything. It's for a build project, which is actually true because I'm gonna build a lot of things. Yeah. And let me give you a tour of my ender chest as well. Because why not? So this is my ender chest and yeah, it's pretty good. Like it's full of loot. Look at this. This is all my grind in these 466 days. And I did a lot of grind to get the mace, but I could not get the mace. I like literally farmed stacks and stacks of breeze rods and I raided around 7 to 8 trial chambers but did not got the the mace. Okay, this is ominous potion bundle which I actually don't have ominous potions now. Yeah, this is my gold and iron, this is redstone, this is lapis, this is emerald. Okay, go back. And yeah, this is look this is and yeah, wait where is that thing? Okay, holy shit, oh here it is. Yeah, this is what I wanted to show. तो ये है भाई मेरे मतलब सारे के सारे आर्मर ट्रिम्स जिसमें है अब अपना ओमिनस पोर्शन यहाँ पे मिल भी गया एक्चुअली. इट्स गुड. सो या इट इज़ दिस इज द मोस्ट valuable thing actually, and I have a lot of diamonds actually. I don't need these anymore. I just need them to duplicate it. And wait, let me show you something as well. Yeah, look how many elytras I have. I looted around 7 to 8 end cities and out 6 of them had elytras. So yeah, and I didn't use synchros. um if you know you know. Okay, here we go. Okay, so yeah, this was my ender chest. Shit, this is a problem which I have to deal with. These shulker boxes are empty actually. Not all of them, but some of them are empty, and these are filled with a lot of loot actually. Diamond chest plates. You can see how many diamond chest plates. This is all the loot I got from trial chambers and cities. Yeah, these are more and more horses, and this is railway station, which doesn't work at all. I was trying to make something over here, but like I made this area flat. I worked on it, but didn't made anything. And meet my tools. This is eliminator. This is tornado. This is stormer. And look. What is this? One it exclusive. These are the red wall ones. You know the red ball. Yeah. If you know, you know. If you are Virat Kohli fan, then you know. Which is, I am a Virat Kohli fan actually. And this is where I get all the wood from. This is, you know, let me show you actually how I grind a lot of wood so fast. I get around a second half wood just using this in like around 1 minute, less than 1 minute. I don't even know, like it's pretty less time. I will finish this, then we will talk about something else if we have something to talk about. Look, the tree has been chopped in less than a minute. You know, it's pretty great to have like these trees, because like, you know, these are very big trees and you can chop these very easily using efficiency 5x. You know, it's really efficient because it's efficiency, you know. Yeah. Okay, so this was it actually. Wait. Yeah, this was it for today. Let me wear my chest plate. Now it looks good. या तो आज की इस वीडियो में यही थी व्हाट द हेल, यही थी न्यूवोरा एसएमपी में जो अब तक हमने किया है. एक्चुअली ग्राइंड तो हमने किया है एक्चुअली. वी हैव डन एवरीथिंग. वी हैव किल्ड द एंडर ड्रैगन एंड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. बट अबे ये ट्री कैसे आया? ये अभी ग्रो हुआ ना वो. You know, we got a good moment as well. Look how I love this shield. This looks pretty damn good. Me as well in this netherite armor. Okay, so this was it for today. We will meet when I will build something actually. Okay, so bye guys. So the video is okay, so I have to end the video. So bye guys, bye.